The passive money back Kawan. And actually what passive means is you sleep, wake up, and then see profits like this. Look, this was generated when I was asleep, $55, and so on and so forth. I don't want to just by any mean brag or something, or just telling you what we have, what great product we have as EA bot or forex trading automation system, whatever you want to call it. Is absolutely hands-free bot. Takes all the hassle, all the stress off of you if you're interested making money with forex and trading in the forex market. For those who don't know what forex is, so it's basically a massive market where you buy and sell pairs of currencies like Great British Pound to USD, and in between you take the difference as your profit. So if you predict, let's say, price goes up and then you sell high, you're gonna make money. If you predict price goes down and then I don't know. To be honest, I forgot about that as well. But that's basically that's the basis of it. So you're gonna buy it low and then sell it for high for profit. That's the whole thing about it. But in actual and practice, if you want to do that, is super expensive, super difficult. And by the way, this is one of our live accounts, so it's my actual live account, and it's not fancy, so you can see the profit generator is like $236, totally hands-free passive using our bot. And if you were interested to have a copy of our bot, actually have us to completely set the bot for you. It's like on set and forget. So we're gonna set it, and all you do need to is checking your MT4 account. So this is my laptop actually. You can have the same application. Let me to switch it off. Hello, Young's here. For those who don't know me, I'm an online marketer and one of the guys behind our bot. Which we developed, and then we strongly believe in it, and trust in it, in super volatile market of forex, which is super risky, super risky. And if you decide to go and then manually try to make it work, well done to you, and please come back and then teach me as well, because I've been there. It didn't work for me. I didn't like it. It's just not worth it, to be honest. You have to constantly check out these complex graphs to see what is going on. Additionally, go outside, check the news. I don't know, various websites to see what is going on in terms of politics, in I don't know, in US, in UK, in Europe, in Asia, Australia, and stuff like this. With that said, there are so many factors determining whether you should buy or sell specific currency at that moment you want to place the order. While where we have an amazing but taking care of everything complicated, and most of the time you see profit. Can you see any minus indicating loss? No. But again, even our bot is not gonna 100% of time be profitable. That's the fact. So I'd be lying if I say, oh, it's amazing, forever going to get you profit. But now, based on what has happened since this is 1st of April all the way to today, day is 23rd, I think today is 23rd, all the way to yesterday, generated $236 totally hands-free. I didn't touch anything. Well, apart of my friend to adjust his lot size over here. Apart of that, we didn't do anything. We just let it do this job on our premium VPS, because what you need is a great VPS, a reliable VPS, and actually you need to sign up with some regulated brokerage or brokerer, whatever you're gonna call it. American people would call it probably brokerage. Rest of people, I assume, call it brokerer. So you're gonna get that account open with one of them. They must be regulated, otherwise they're gonna be so tricky, and then they can even get your money and then get you nothing in exchange. So all you need is sign up and deposit bare minimum. If you want, up to you. You can again, that would be down to the brokerage. Some brokerage would go with as low as $10, $10, $10, $50, some maybe $500. In my case, IC Market would ask for at least $200. So if you have $199, they wouldn't accept you. So you wouldn't be able to start trading. Bare minimum they need is $200. So I strongly suggest and recommend you to start with $1,000, at least $1,000, so you would have more significant profits on daily basis. You see my balance now in total. So if I go to trade, balance is 511, and so we're gonna show you that's the current position open. So at the moment is in loss, is in minus, so I'm not gonna hide anything. I'm not making anything up. I show you what it is. But again, I'm not gonna be freaked out, because I have to leave the bot to do its job. Even if it ends up by losing this trade, I'll be still okay, because by checking the lot size as super low, so I'm not gonna be worried. Okay, I'm sure if again all of a sudden this ends up by losing me money, the figure would be super low, so doesn't matter. What matters is how many times this amazing bot, which created by us again, won and made me profit, as you see over here, guys. Again, this based on now, because it wasn't 511, so I assume before then was around, like, if we add that. So if I go to calculator, I'm going to tell you what exactly my balance was. So if I go to calculator, I have you see things here. Calculator. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to show you the power, and additionally the power of compounding. So compounding means whatever profit I make or our bot makes on daily basis, I don't touch, and then just leave it to grow and grow and grow, bit by bit, tiny bit, every time. So at the moment it's 511, isn't it? And the profit was made was 236. I'm trying to find out how much was my initial balance, so how much it could make you. 260, so minus 236, which is 275. So that means at the start of April, let's say, at the start over here, at this point, my balance was 275, and then started making a profit all the way till here, added $236, and now my balance account is $511, totally hands-free, stress-free, without me doing anything, guys. When doing anything. How that sounds? Just comment below, tell me your opinion, what you think. If your thing is something to consider, here is our main website. I'm gonna switch over, so if you can see Things clear. I'm trying to, yeah. This is our main website, guys. So GITFLEX.com, getflix.com. So you have a bunch of stuff over here to check out if you want a bit of introduction, what is forex and what to do, and some we're gonna add up some signals in future. So you guys, you manual day trading guys, if you wish to kind of use our signals, you're more than welcome to use in future. But at the moment, what we have over here, so if I just scroll down to show you, so like what our website looks like now. So this 10% is obviously as info to you guys who want or who ever tried manual trading. And just correct me if I'm not right. How many of you guys been consistently making money? I mean, being profitable on your day trading journey with your manual trading? Come on, be honest with me. If your answer is right, like you have, so that's gonna prove that. So only 10% of manual traders do make money. 90% always lose money. That's why these brokerage and broker companies always give massive leverages like 500, 100, even 1,000 times of whatever balance, whatever capital you're gonna start with, because they know that you're gonna just keep losing and then make them money. As you lose, they make money. As you make, they kind of they don't make money, and they don't like that. That's the thing about it. So you have to be smart and setting on automation. That's the day-to-day life way of living. That's what we knew, and then we wanted to achieve, and then we ended up with creating this amazing bot. You see, guys, this is one of our customers. Let's say this is kind of backtest, and if I say backtest, it's just history. Like, you see the history of my account history. This is one of the clients we have, and then this is one of them, and his account history. You see, this is 3,200. 3,241 is the profit they made. Yeah, so this is over a period of time. I'm not sure like how long for, after 1 year or after since they started. But if we come to this kind of graph, we see algo trading is 100%. So they didn't touch anything. They didn't even place one order manually themselves. They just left everything to the bot. That's why it's 100%. And this says profit trades 100%. So 100% they've been profitable. They even didn't lose even one single trade. How that sounds, guys? How that sounds? I'm not gonna go through everything else. Again, leverage over here is 1 to 50, 500, and IC market similar to mine. I think mine is on 150 or 100. I'm not sure. Obviously, the bigger leverages, you can expect X time more than what if you do, let's say, 1 to 1 or 1 to 5 on one. As this number goes up, leverage, it's kind of loan your broker company or your brokerage give you to have more to trade with. But parallelly, if you lose, that's gonna be X time of your lose. So bear in mind, guys, don't just go extremely high and then say, okay, I'm gonna just be rich overnight or over months or 2 months time. You see, guys, 3,241% growth. This is actually, it wasn't from one client, but it was a backtest we got from 2015. Yeah, so my bad. So we have got applications over here for your app, for your Google, and this website is quite new because we had an old website, and then we tried to get things new and then fresh. That's why I'm not really familiar with our new website. That's why I try to show you what is new in our new website, how it looks, because they don't really matter. What it matters is you and your access to our bots. Yeah, just go through it because I just go. Yeah, this is like another backtest we got. So much to show, honestly. Yeah, this is the ways to contact. Obviously, you can contact me directly to my personal, social media accounts like Facebook, like YouTube itself. You can find me over there, or a specific dedicated Telegram channel I made just for you guys who are interested in our bots. So you can reach out to me that way, and start using our bots. That's a bit of articles explaining terms like what is leverage, and what is the balance, and what is free margin, stuff like this. So it's gonna educate you a bit, like kind of warm you up what we're talking about, what actually our bot and how our bots can benefit you guys. So you see, we recently added gold to USD as well. Mine, the one I showed you, is Euro USD. If I go back, if I can show the pairs, you see symbols, they're all Euro USD. So mine is just set to Euro USD, and then this specific one is just start trading from 1 p.m. every night, and then finish it whenever it feels is suitable and appropriate. At the moment, the current position is on, as is open. It's open, and it's not going to close it yet. So totally, we trust it. So we just don't bother it. So we just do rest of stuff we need in our life, other businesses. Carry on with our day-to-day life. This is what we need: trading, 24/5 trading. That's what. If that's what you want, definitely you need to consider our bot. Simple as that, guys. That's what I was gonna say. So up to 400% annual growth. So that means, like, you can expect to 400% return on your initial investment. So that can be as low as $200 based on what IC market requests, or you can go as big as you want, like 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 100,000, 1 million. So sky is the limit. But I do highly recommend you to start with at least 1,000. That's for your own benefit, actually, to see bigger numbers over here, because it's just amazing to see, like, you wake up and then you made 100, 200, 300 that day while you were asleep. How that is gonna feel, you wouldn't know. I've been there. I feel it. It's just amazing. That's totally passive. That's actual meaning of passive, being passive. Correct me, guys. If it's not, correct me. You can also check my videos. I have a specific playlist just showing about my own journey using our bot to this specific account I have over here, and there would be almost 13 or 14 videos over here show the performance over time. It's like at least 1 month or 2 months worth of trades over there, and then you can see how it has been doing. And then stuff you shouldn't do. Being at top, greed is the worst thing you want to do. That you want to, because if you be greedy and then let's say if you want to increase your lot size, that's horrible. That's the worst thing you want to do, especially with small accounts. But you have a big account, it's not gonna be really that horrible if you try to trade with big size of big chunk of your, let's say, capital of your whole balance. That's the thing you have to bear in mind. So you need to check my videos and then see what stuff you should do, what stuff you shouldn't do. Let's say when we say all we need is the if I change the comment, all we need is your account access, so we can apply our bot to your account. So you wouldn't need to manually start placing orders. If you do, you're gonna mess up the system, because either you're gonna let the bot to do all the job, or you do carry on trading manually, like day-to-day trading, if you wish, which I highly not suggest, because I've been there. I tried dozens of courses, paid courses. I got mentors, and still I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I cannot make it up. I cannot just say, okay, predict even 50-50. So I would say 70 times of, like 70% of time, I just be wrong, and then I'd be losing if I was gonna, go with manual. While over here, you call it. What's the winning range? What's the winning percentage? You tell me, for this month alone. Can you see any minus? I'm not gonna name what's the percentage, but you can just see. Okay, that's about that. Go back to the website. So if you go to Euro USD, that's what my current version is working for myself now. So it's gonna load up. Yeah, it's loading up. Yeah. So this is a back test. We've got some plans over here. Yeah, so that's a recommended. You see, the minimum deposit is 300, but I do say 1,100 is what I recommend, and the minimum leverage is 1,200. We can do 100, but don't go above like 300 or 500. Don't go above that. To be honest, it's not worth it. You don't need it. You don't need it, honestly. And that's what it says. Just choose a brokerage or broker with low spread and commission, and they need to be, regulated. That's what we recommend. IC market, that's what mine is. Alpari Forex, Robo Forex, and Wanda. So the reason we have multiple brokers over here, because some of these won't, let's say, work with some specific country. As much as I know, IC market would allow people from Canada to have account with them, while they have no issue with British residents and Australian residents. Basically, they're from Australia themselves, and then they welcome British residents. But I'm not sure about if they accept American, but they don't accept Canadians. And rest of stuff can be chosen if you try to, but that's what we recommend as brokers. They're regulated, they're great, they're not gonna do harm, they're not gonna do any crap, let's say, take your money basically, or just be funny. They're not gonna do. So as plans, so we've got multiple plans for you guys, so they're totally affordable. Bear in mind, if you reach out to me, I can give you a great discount for your first month. So you decide, you try it, and then find out whether it's profitable or not, and then from your second month you're gonna choose one of these plans, guys. So let's go with what we have over here. So the first plan is $190. That, again, if you decide to really seriously, if you were serious and then show that seriousness to me, you can reach out to me, contact me, and then I definitely get you a great discount. I can slash the price and as entry as bonus for you guys, because I know everyone is just trying to make it up and then come up from this whole situation of pandemic we've just been through, guys. That's why we're all human, and then we want to help you guys as well, because it's super nice to see all ordinary people as well, to see great days, like great profit like we have over here, guys. That's why we definitely want to help you guys. That's why the first month would be $100, no matter which plan you're gonna choose later on. But your first month would be on me, $100. So what else do you expect from me? And in future, we're gonna get you a totally free trial version of our bot, so you won't need to pay at all, a dime even. But at the moment, all we can do is like getting you started with $100 for your first month. And then let's see, With $100 monthly, $190 monthly, what are you gonna get? So all of them basically are in MT4 version, because I don't know if you know or you don't know, there are multiple kind of platforms involved with trading and forex, and one of them are MetaTrader 4 and one of them are MetaTrader 5. The ones we stick and work with are MT4 versions, so MT4, and they're gonna be active 24 hours, and as it says, no martingales. So martingales is obviously is the safest way to run a bot. So that's the way we designed this bot. So it's safe. The whole meaning behind it is safe. So it's not gonna, let's say, it's not gonna treat the whole thing as gamble. It's not gonna gamble. Yeah, and then you have access to support 24/7. Any issue you had, you can contact us. Power servers are linked to all of these plans, and monthly growths are totally equal to all of them. So it doesn't matter if you choose to pay yearly, yearly, quarterly, or monthly. All the let's say specification feature, you get all the same. It's not like email what's the word, autoresponders. Like, let's say if you go with GetRespond, you would get a slightly more feature if you pay, let's say, more on monthly basis or what. That's how we structure our prices anyway, guys. But the only difference would be if you pay ahead, like pay for your 3 months, for your 6 months, for 12 months, you're gonna save much more money. You see, you're not gonna save on monthly basis, zero. If you pay for a quarter, you're gonna save 10%. If you pay semi-yearly, semi-annually, you're gonna save 15%. If you pay yearly, you're gonna save huge 25% on your expense using our bots. You see, if you pay $1,699 for your entire year, let's say you tried first month for $100. If you like it, why you wouldn't go with this plan or this plan rather than this or that? Just calculate it. What's the figure you would go every month to top up, or with this one top up, while you could choose the last one, which is 1,699. Anyway, that would be down to you. But all I could say is I can get you started, guys. Forget about these prices. Initial entry price for you guys, so to help you to realize the power of our great bot, which we constantly are checking and improving its performance. We're monitoring it again, regardless, is forex. So we do as much we can control, but we cannot control the global market of forex. Can we? Nobody can. So many factors are involved to determine whether you overall be profiting or losing. But again, based on my own experience, you see, guys, so I'm talking based on the reality, the case study, what are we going to call it, based on my own case study. The power of this bot is just amazing. I don't know how much I can stress out how great our bot is. So if I go back to there, and we recently added gold as well, gold to USD. Gold is a bit different. So where we said Euro USD wasn't martingale based, but gold is martingale based. So it's martingale, meaning you could get you could make more money, but again at the same time the risk would go high as well. So it's slightly similar to if I say gamble, it's not gamble, but it will be much more risk involved. Again, for this one I can get you started with $50. So if I see the prices, starting would be $9.99 every month, then quarterly would be $269. Semi-annually would be $499, and annually would be $949. I can get you all guys started if you were going to choose, gold as well. So remember, you could choose one solely each, or you could start both at the same time. The beauty of having both at the same time is, while you see the, let's say, you're checking your day-to-day trading station status and stuff, instead of one position at a time, you will see two position at a time. That means let's say instead of let's say if I was gonna make $8 or $80, I could make, let's say, $50, let's say $120 or $150. I mean, the position would double over here. So you would have double position open to you, and then hopefully you would end up making double of what you would be making if you were just gonna have one position at a time. That's the beauty of having both at the same time. Yeah, but the requirement over here is a bit higher. So what you're gonna do the same, but the minimum deposit is 1,000. So you would have to have 1,000 just separately ready for the gold. So gold USD. But for the other one, you would have less. Like you need at least 300, which I highly recommend you start that with 1,000 as well. That's definitely down to you guys. Yeah, that was about our bot. Let me know if anyone wanted to, if I change it again, change it to, yeah, let me know if any of you guys wanted to, start using our great bots. Check the social media I leave maybe later on in the description, so you can check, reach out to me. Even you can check the other videos I have. And definitely I would have my Facebook, my Telegram channel over there as well, so you can reach out to me, and I would definitely give you a discount for your first month. So don't worry, you're gonna see great days. Just amazing. You wake up and then you make $5, $50, $500, $5,000, depending on your initial investment, let's say. That's why I use investment, because the way I see that account of mine, I see it as long-term investment, not, let's say, trading. I don't look at it as like day trading guys. They say, okay, I'm gonna go in like scalpers. I go in and then I come out with 50. I go in, I come out with 100 for my day. No, I don't do withdraw either, because I want to grow this one, because just automated. So I don't need to mess with anything unless I would want to, just change the lot size, which I'm okay for now. But again, with all these said, guys, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and reach out to me. I would make sure you would start with absolutely no time. All you need is a sign up with your ideal broker, and give us access to your account. I mean, not to your broker account. That would be totally to you. We don't need that. All we need is to helping you to set the bot up for you. You don't need to mess with anything. We have premium VPS as well. All you need to start is your broker. Give us access to your broker. I mean, to the account you create inside your broker. Let's say with Wanda or with IC Market, so we can apply our bot and set it up for you, and then you just check your profits every day using MT4 application on your phone, or with like my case, on your laptop. You can download it from, let's say, IC Market website itself, or solely outside. You can download it on your device and then check your daily profits automatically. How great that sounds! Till you don't see that automation and automated generate, let's say, or how I can explain, till you don't see that profit generated automatically to you, you wouldn't feel what I mean. So for limited time we got this offer, so reach out to me and then I get you started with $100. What else you want? Come on, have a nice time. See you. Bye. Fine. I try to be a bit funny and